Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got this big boy right over here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check this out. This is a big boy. This is the Spartan knives designed by Harsey, William Harsey. And it's a nice one, I have to say. It's overbuilt. It's like actually built like a tank. Look at this, slabs of titanium. The action is not so great. It's not smooth, I have to say, not like pleasant. I was expecting some Sebenza smoothness kind of thing, but no. Let's see if we can improve this action right over here. So we're going to need a couple of T15 screw Torx bit screws for the pivot, which is spinning. So you're going to have to keep it firmly steady, not moving on one side, and you can just take your time and just spin the other side, and you're gonna unscrew the oversized pivot. Like, would you look at the size of this pivot, guys? This is one of the biggest pivot I've ever seen. Look at I mean, that's pretty robust for sure. Then you're gonna need, I think this is like what? I don't think it's a T10. I think it's gonna be like a T8, which it is. And let's do this. We can do, let's see, this side over here, I suppose. Wow, that's very hard. Let's see if we... Yeah, let's do this side here. 1, 2, and 3. This construction is really solid, guys. Look at the size of these screws. I mean, the standoffs. This is an overbuilt knife, like, for sure. Let me see if this guy wants to pop open or not. We might need this guy over here just to pop out the pivot on the other side. Actually, it's not wanting to move. That's all right. Let's see, maybe like this we can actually pull it in a way so that this guy is open like that. So very simple construction, guys. Look at this. It's very simple. You've got these two sets of washers. This area, I see, nicely done. Nice detent ball ramp right over here. And look at the size of this pivot. This is impressive, guys. And just phosphorus bronze washers, like pretty thick, if you ask me. And just like clean up. This is a thick washer, like for sure, guys. Overbuilt goodness right over here. And basically it's done. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It reminds me like the construction of a Sebenza, something like in that realm there. So I can see the tolerances are pretty tight, which is very good. We're gonna use... You're gonna use some 10 weight nano oil probably. I think it's gonna be all right. We're gonna be using 3 drops like so, and then just like that, and just a little like 4 drops of this over here like that. Actually, let's just do 1, 2, and 3 again. So we have a little bit more oil. Nice oversized stop pin. Let's see. This guy goes here and here. So I mean, pretty straightforward actually. So this guy is in. 1, 2, and 3. Very easy, very pleasant disassembly here. Okay. Very good. And then we're just gonna change this guy for a pretty big T15 and in. So maybe you can see better like that what I'm doing, right? And now let's just tighten this guy almost all the way down until there's no more blade play, which is here. Still a little bit of blade play. Now it's sturdy. Actually, guys, I think we improved the action. Look at this. That's actually much smoother. There's no guillotine effect, you have to wiggle it, but it's much nicer. Blade is centered, there's no blade play. Still needs some breaking in period, but it's not that bad. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.